Go find more lights, I suppose.
Yo, there's a bowling alley up there.
Is there?
Yeah, you see right there? Fifth floor.
Wow, look at this.
Okay. Yeah, le temps passe vite.
Yeah. It's absolutely great. Alley down here. I don't see the bowling, but it's an alley down here.
Right there.
Yeah, merci madame.
Oh, that one.
On the 5th floor.
You're talking about that one.
Yeah, there's a bowling alley.
Okay. Well, let's take a shot of it. Nice. Sweet. Yeah. It's a little nostalgia, isn't it? Yeah, you're bloated, bruv.
Yeah, I'm bloated.
You look massive. I see some friendly faces. Guess what, wait? This side. Oh, we can look down that street to see much more better. Ooh, look here. Way much better. I know. Don't worry, I captured it before. Except that car was in the way. Even much better. People coming into the frame, so you gotta go.
And the brand is down a bit.
Car, such. You got to go. Right, this is much better.
Oh,
wait. Why don't you take a picture of me over there? So I can take a picture of you.
stupid. You got white bells or yellow bells?
All the above.
Well, if we want to see some fancy lights, you gotta go that way.
I know that. But you're not.
What's this?
Balls, mate.
Clearly.
Bruv, that's like balls. A lot of balls too.
Run. There's nothing that way.
There's nothing that way, but look at that view though. People walking around. Wait.
Keep losing me.
I'm losing my mind, that's what. Guess what? Look at all these lights. Yo. This way. Yo, look at that. Look
that way.
Yo, guys, look at this. Amazing. It's absolutely spectacular.
Look that way.
Let's go this side.
Oh, this is a lot bit blurred. Let's get a better shot. Okay, look at this.
Want to go to Nike?
Whoa, look at that photo. Hey, look everyone, look away. This is our tour guide.
I've never been here.
You want to put this on? have a lot of them. I think it's automatic, you have to push it. Just push.
Oh. What's done? You done?
Yeah, I just wanted to see what was in here.
Let me take a walk around. I look bloated myself. Basketball. It's a photo shoot, yeah? So let's take a look at the city at night. Oh, look at that. The city of Busan at night is absolutely amazing. Let's open this. Open that. Open that too. Oh, gaze upon the beauty. Sights and sounds. Good night.
연속 커브에 주의하세요. 625m 앞에 시속 50km 과속 단속 구간에 진입합니다. 약 300m 앞 시속 50km 과속 신호 위반 단속 구간입니다. 이어서 시속 50km 앞 수영로 156번길에서 우회전하세요. 대공포로의 하차 장소로 가세요.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Take it. Yo, make sure you got everything in there. Thank you. I had something drop from my backpack. Just a minute. Thank you, sir. Thank you.